Hey guys, welcome to our channel Sweetie Sisters Multi-Talented YouTube channel. Today I will show you the superb recipe and the easiest snacks and breakfast recipe, that is a simple and perfect wheat flour biscuits which we can make at home very easily without oven, without butter. Okay, let's start the video. It was so simple and superb recipe. Now take a mixing bowl. Now I am taking this small cup to measurement the whole flours. So if you have any measurement cup you can do it, but at home we are doing now, we doesn't have measurement cups, so you can take any one of the cup and add 1 cup sugar powder and 1 and a half 3/4 cup sugar powder. First take 1 cup and 3/4 cup of sugar powder and add 3/4 नहीं तो half cup ghee which was not melted. Don't add melted ghee in it. Okay, this ghee makes the biscuit superb flavor. It gives superb aroma also while cooking. And add, we have to take milk malai which was came from milk. If you want the recipe, I will share in the description box. It was so easy. Boil the milk and take out the milk malai. If you want more, means I take from 4 to 5 days. If you want to make these biscuits, please take from 4 to 5 days and store it in a fridge so that at a time you can use it. Now I had 3/4 cup of milk malai and now mix the 3 ingredients. What are there? Sugar, ghee and malai. It should come like a soft cream. See how I am whisking it. If you want, you can do it with a beater or you can add it in the mixie jar and you can do it also, but it should come like a soft cream. The color also changed, you can see that. See how nice the soft cream it was. By whisking it, the color changes and it comes like pure white and it comes like thick cream, like a whipped cream it will be. Okay, now our cream is ready. Now which cup I am taking, I said in the first, no, from that cup add 1.5 नहीं तो 1 cup आटा, wheat flour, whole wheat flour. But now for this video, for this recipe, I am adding 1.5 cup wheat flour and half cup of besan. If you want, you can add more than half cup. And add 1 pinch of salt. Which gives good taste to our biscuits. It gives us some salty flavor to our biscuits, and this besan makes so best flavor to our biscuits. And add half teaspoon of baking soda. If you are not having baking soda, you can add baking नहीं तो cooking soda, baking powder. Add 2 tablespoons of suji rava and mix these all ingredients with hand, and don't add any water and milk. Please mix with that ghee and malai only, with that cream. The whole mix means the whole powder, the whole flour should mix with that ghee and the malai. We should not add any water and any milk to these ingredients. See, we should make like a roti dough. It will be so soft. Please do it very carefully. By adding this suji we will get some crunchy flavor, crunchy texture to our biscuit, and while we eating it gives so beautiful taste when we are melting the biscuit. When we melt the biscuits, it gives like a kova taste. Malai taste comes very beautifully without adding butter we are doing. If you having a butter, you will skip the malai and add that butter also. See, our dough become very soft and smooth. Our dough become very smooth and soft. It was amazing dough. While mixing this dough, I am getting a good cashew aroma which was so yummy. If you want, you can add any vanilla essence and any cardamom powder to get another flavors also, but I'm doing a simple and easiest biscuits now. See, when I'm breaking it, the texture was so smooth and soft. And it's time to rest this dough. See, after mixing the dough, we should take a plate or a cap to close the dough. We should rest this dough for 10 to 15 minutes aside, which gives a good aroma to the dough, and the dough will be rested. After 10 to 15 minutes, take the cap and once mix, or you can take directly a lemon size ball. See how I am rolling it. Take a lemon size ball and flat the dough and put a small hole to the dough, not hole, full hole, like small press to the dough. So this texture, this size is perfect to the biscuit. Or you can take a big plate and press the dough evenly and take a mold, or you can take any cap which size you want and press it on the dough, and you will get a small or good with whichever you want to take a shape. But for these biscuits I am using circle shape only with hand. If you having any molds, you can use that. See, our biscuit size was superb. I like this size. We add baking soda and some ingredients that makes the dough will bake. When it will bake, the size will become bigger. So we have to make the whole dough like this biscuits, or you can cut the biscuit size also. What I'm tell to you. If you want whatever size you want, you can do your size. But I like this size, so I'm doing this size. And the biscuit will be even. The dough should be even. And press in the middle, so that when the biscuit is baking, it will be come out. And take a pressure cooker and keep one stand in this and preheat for 15 minutes. And take a plate, add some ghee and apply it to the plate, whole plate, and add some wheat flour and spread it. Now the plate is ready for baking. And now put these biscuits in the plate. If you have a bake oven, you can bake in the oven also. And if you having any aluminium trays, you can do it on that also. Bake trays also, it is okay. Now I'm putting 6 biscuits in the plate. Don't put so many biscuits. Put less biscuit, because when it will bake, it will become larger size. So you are keeping small plate and adding so many biscuits, it will be not sufficient. The plate will be not sufficient for the biscuits. And keep it in the mind. The main thing is we should remove the whistle. then only the biscuits will be baked. And another tip also, if you having a oven, you can do it on that also. See how texture is so cute, and the color of the biscuits was so amazing. The texture also, where we are getting from bakery also, they will give this biscuits only, which was so beautiful. And see, in the down also the biscuits are not over baked. This biscuits was perfectly baked. When I'm cracking it, see how crunchy it was. Inside also so much crunchy and crispy. When taking it was coming so softly. It gives some super tasty biscuits which we can eat in the snacks, and we can store these biscuits for 1 week in a box 8 container. It was perfect recipe for children and big people who want to eat the family time. We can eat, and it is a perfect recipe for a tea time snack which was very healthy to us, and it was a wheat flour biscuits. If you are watching this video and you are watching this my channel first time, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, share this video to your friends and family relatives, and don't forget to comment this video and try this recipe, and how the recipe was came, please comment in the below. Thank you for watching. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe. With next video I will be back, and wait for the next video. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.